Hi everyone, it's me Jamshed Raza from professionaltutorial.com, and today in this video we are going to learn how to change IP address in your Mac, and you can use that method to any Mac device which you have. For example, if you have MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, you can apply that method. Now let's get started. We have, like here I'm going to show you, we have two options, for example two method, which both method is same, but we are going to see the easy method. And here I have like my network icon. Maybe if you are not in like in your Wi-Fi network, maybe you are into Ethernet network, then you can also see the same setting. Now here you will come in open network preferences, and you are going to open that one, and here you can see you have like your IP address, which is I have 192.168.10 and 13. And what you are going to do, you will come in advanced, and in advanced you have different option, but you are going to come in TCP/IP, and you are going to just change the configure IPv4, and you can already see your IP address here that it is 192.168.10.13. Why you are going to change? You better know that if you are blocked from your network, then with IP address you can change your IP address as it is. Now what you are going to do, change that to manual setting. And before changing that to manual setting, I want to explain something for you. And here you have like your router, and the router is the main IP address where your network is connected with. For example, you can see that here we have 192.168.10 and 1. It means that the router IP address is starting from that configuration, and the first IP address, the one, is from the router itself. Therefore you will let all these three, for example 192.168.10, should be as it is while you are going to change your IP address, and you are going to change the last one, and it will completely change your IP address. And for doing so, you are going to come in manual setting, and you can see that we have 40, and we are going to change that one. And for that we are going to write 192 and .168.10 and first IP address which I had, that was 13, but I'm going to change that to maybe 50. Okay, but remember that whatsoever your router IP address is, you will let all these three options as it is, but you are going to change the final one, and it should be in between to 1 to 255. You can change your IP address to any digit which you want. Now I'm going to press OK, and you can see here already we have changed our IP address, which is 192.168.10 and 15. Now what I will do, I will come here, and we are going to browse, for example google.com, and see if my network is working. And now it is completely working. All right, for example I can also search some keyword professional tutorial, and you can see that it is working all right, and everything is completely fine. I hope you get the idea that how you are going to change your IP address on your any Mac device. And if you want to change Mac address or IP address in Windows 10, then the link is in description. You can also check that one as well. If you have not subscribed my channel, just subscribe that one, and also share with your friends, and don't forget to thumbs up my video. If you have any question, just write that in comment box below. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.